Hi, I am Manish. Today I am going to show you how to solve this Pyraminx crystal cube or dodecahedron crystal cube. It is very simple. It has 3 cycle move, and yet it is somewhat tricky. So I'll just show you few pieces. So these are corner piece, we can say. So 1 2 3, these are corner 4 pieces, 5 pieces. So 1 2 3 4 5, these are corner pieces, and these are edge pieces. So in each side there are 5 corners and 5 edge pieces. So first let us scramble it. So now it is scrambled properly. So the first step is to fix the corners. So we'll start with white. So we have 2 white corners are placed. So we have to find the next corner which has yellow color over here. So white and yellow. So we need to find white and yellow is here. So first we'll bring that corner over here. So we have to fix this corner over here. So it is simple: R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime R U R prime and U prime. So now we can see this is fixed. Now we have to fix green and white. This is the piece, but it is rotated. So we'll do R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime. So this is also fixed. Now we have to fix the last corner. Last corner is here. So we have to first bring that corner on top of it. So we have to fix this corner here. So R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime R U R prime. So our first corners are fixed. So now we have to fix the second layer corners. So first we have to fix this corner, then this corner, then this and this. So first let us start with this. So here it is blue, so here it should be blue. So blue, and here it should be red. So light blue and red. So we have to find a piece corner which has light blue and red. So it is here, light blue and red. So this piece will come here. So what we will do is, we can do two things. Either we will shift this corner here like this, and then we can fix it and we'll bring it back. Or we can do other thing. What we can do is, we'll bring this corner down and then we can fix here. So it's like R U R prime U prime. So now we can see this is fixed. Now we have to fix another corner. So here it should be blue and purple. So light blue and purple is here. So we can, this is our base, white. So, and this piece needs to be fixed here. This piece needs to be fixed here. So what we'll do is, we'll simply turn the cube like this and we'll fix it. So it is R U R prime and U prime. Again R U R prime U prime. Again R U R prime U prime. So now we can see this is fixed. Okay, so now next step is to fix this corner. This corner is already fixed, so now we have to fix this corner. Here it should be purple and yellow. So where is purple and yellow is here only. So this is our base, white. So what we'll do is we'll simply move our cube like this, and we have to bring this corner over here. So we can do one thing, we can move this corner over here like this, and then we can fix it. So it is R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime. So now we can see this is fixed. Now next step is to fix this is our base. So next step is to fix this corner. So here it should be yellow and green. So the corner which has two colors, yellow and green is here. So what we will do is first we will bring this corner over here and then we'll fix it. So simply bring it here, and now we'll fix here. So it is R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime R prime U prime. So this is also fixed. Okay, so next step is here it should be red and green. So where is red and green? Green and red is here. So green and red is here, which we have to fix here. So first we'll bring this up and then we'll take it here and then we'll bring this down. So we'll bring it up, take it out of the way like this, bring it down so that this should not get disturbed. And now we have to fix this corner over here. Okay, so what we can do is we can bring this piece here down. So this is our fixed corner. What we have to do is we have to bring this corner down so that we can exchange it. So down, and now what we'll do is, or we can do one more thing also, we will bring this up like this and we can fix it. So it is up, sorry, R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime, and now we can bring this down. Again we have to shift. So R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime R prime U prime U prime R prime U prime R U R prime U prime. Here it should be red. So R U R prime U prime R U R prime and U prime. So now we can see this is also fixed, and now it was here, so we have to bring this down so that this corner should not be disturbed. Okay, so this is done, this is done. So our second layer corners are also done. Now we have to fix third layer corner. So this corners we have to fix. So here it should be yellow and orange. So yellow and orange corner we need to find. Yellow and orange corner is here, which we need to fix here. So first we'll bring this corner up and take it out of the way and bring this down. So this should not be disturbed. Now we have to bring this corner over this. So this needs to be fixed here, right? This is our orange and yellow color. Here it is yellow and here it is orange. So this corner will fix here. So R U R prime U prime, and now it is fixed. Similarly yellow and green. So we need to find yellow and green. Yellow and green piece, corner piece is here. This is yellow and green, which needs to be fixed here. So R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime U R prime U prime. I think this is not the right piece. It should be blue, green and yellow. So it is this piece. So R U R prime U prime R prime U prime. Okay, so this is also fixed. And now next is purple, pink and green. Purple, pink and green is here. So we need to fix this corner over here. So R U R prime U prime so this is also fixed. Now next is yellow, light yellow, blue and pink. So where is light yellow, blue and pink is here. So first we'll have to bring this out and take it out of the way and bring this down. Okay, so now we have to fix pink, light yellow and blue over here. So R U R prime U prime U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime. So this is also fixed. Now next is this corner. Here it should be green, orange and blue. So green, orange and blue corner is here. We have to fix this corner over here. So R U R prime U prime R prime U prime R U R prime U prime. So this is also fixed. Okay, so now we are left with last layer. This is the last layer. So first we'll see, this is one corner I think which we can okay, so this is one corner that is already into its correct position. Now we have to see which all colors are into its pieces are all into its correct position. So this piece is also into its correct position, but it is rotated. Similarly this is not into its correct position, and this is also not into its correct position. Okay, so we have one which is into its correct position, and now what we'll do is we'll keep this on right hand side front and we'll perform this algorithm, that is U R 2U prime L prime 2U R prime 2U prime and L. So what that will do is that will rotate except this, all these pieces that will rotate. So this is already into its correct position, so it will rotate this 3. So let's see if we have rotated any piece into correct position. So again we'll have to, these are 2 pink that should be here, this is blue, orange, blue orange should be here, and yellow, this piece should be here. So again we'll do the same algorithm. So U R to U prime, L prime to U, R prime to U prime, and L. Okay, so now we'll see, have we, okay, so now you can see this is, or this was the only piece which was in correct position. Now this is also into its correct position. So now we have 2 pieces next to each other which are into its correct position. So keep this in front of you, and we have to perform the same algorithm that will rotate these 3 corners, and that will put into its correct position. So hold it like this, and U R to U prime, L to U, R prime to U prime, and L. So now we'll see, this is also correctly positioned, it is rotated. This is also correctly positioned, but it is rotated, and this is also correctly positioned, but it is rotated. So all 3 corners are placed properly, but they are rotated. So what we'll do is, it is simple rotation algorithm that will use, that normally we use in 3x3. So I normally use it R U R prime U prime. You can use it RIDI RD. So that will fix the, rotate the corners. So R U R prime U prime, again R U R prime U prime. So this is fixed. Now we'll fix this, R U R prime U prime, R U R prime U prime. So this is also fixed. Now next, this R U R prime U prime, R U R prime U prime. So now we can see all our corners are fixed. So all corners are fixed. Now next step is to fix the edges. Now next step is to fix the edges. So we'll use 3 cycle algorithm that will we'll use 3 cycle algorithm. So this piece will come here, this piece will come here, and this piece will come here. So we'll use down down up up. So if this is the I'm just showing you the example. This is blue and green, this is pink and blue, and this is white and purple. So this piece will come here, this piece will come here, and this piece will come here. So it is down down up up. So now we can see all pieces are rotated, right? So now we have to use this algorithm to fix the edges. So first let us see what white colors, this is white and blue. So first we have to fix this white and blue over here. So first we'll bring this here. So we'll do 3 cycle algorithm from here. So this will come here, this will come here, and this will come here. So it is down because we have to bring this piece over here. So we'll start from left side. So down down up up. So this is shifted. Now we have to fix this white piece over here. So this is white and blue which needs to be fixed here. So this piece will come here, this piece will come here, and this piece will come here. So down, down, up, up. So this is fixed. Okay, so now we have to fix another white piece, white edge. So this is white and yellow, and this is white and green. Okay, so what we can do is we can bring this white and green, this is white and green which needs to be fixed here. So what we'll do is we'll bring this green side, because this will come here but it will be rotated, because this white will come here and this green will come here. So this will fix, and then we can undo the setup move. So this is our setup move. So down, down, up, up, and now undo the setup move. So now we can see this is fixed, this is fixed. Now we have to fix next piece, that is white and red. Okay, white and red is here. So first what we'll do is we have this white and purple also that we need to fix. So white and purple needs to be fixed here, but since it's so what we'll do is first this white and purple we will shift here and then we can fix here. So directly we cannot fix from here, because it will fix and it will be rotated. So I'll just show you. So it will be like this. So this is not the right side. So what we will do is first we will bring this piece over here and then we can fix it. So to bring this piece over here, what we'll do is we'll bring this up like this, and now we will do 3-cycle algorithm. So this will come here, this will come here, and this will come here. So down, down, up, up, and now bring this back. So please ensure you undo the setup move. Okay, so again now you can see this is already there, but again it is, if we try to fix it, it will be rotated. So don't worry, we'll have to find the option. So what we'll do is we'll bring this up, or maybe we'll fix here and then bring it down. So what we'll do is we'll fix opposite of purple. So we'll fix it here like this. So it is down, down, up, up, right, and undo the setup move. Okay, so now we have a situation. So this piece will come here, right? So what we'll do is this piece will come here, this piece will come here, and this piece will come here. So this white and purple will fix here. So down, down, up, up. So now we can see this is fixed. Now we have to fix white and red. Where is white and red is here. So what we can do is we can bring this white piece from here. So from here we cannot bring, because otherwise it will be rotated. So what we'll do is we'll fix white and red from here. So this is our white and red piece which will fix it here. So this will come here, this will come here, and this will come here. So it is down, down, up, up. Okay, so and undo the setup move. So white and red is fixed. Now we have to fix white and yellow. So white and yellow is here. So what we'll do is we can bring this yellow piece over here and we can try from this side, from white side, not this side but from this side. So now you can see we have 3 cycles. This will come here, this will come here, and this will come here. So down, down, up, up, up. Okay, so and undo the setup move. So now you and again undo the setup move. So now we can see, please ensure you undo the setup move so that your corner doesn't disturb. So you can see all our edges are fixed in white side. So now we can similarly try to fix all edges in second layer. So this is white and purple and yellow. Purple and yellow is, where is purple and yellow? It is here. So we have to fix purple and yellow over here. So what we'll do is first we'll bring it here and then here. So down, down, up, up. Okay, so now we have to fix purple and yellow over here. So down, down, up, up. Okay, and now we can fix it here. So down, down, up, up. So we fixed 2 edges, this and this. Now we have to fix blue and maroon. Blue and maroon. Okay, sorry, blue and purple. So blue and purple is here. So we can simply fix here. So down, down, up, up. So this is fixed. So okay, we fix 1, 2, 3 edges. We have to fix this. That is blue and red. Blue and red. Where is blue and red? Blue and red. Okay, blue and red is here. That need to fix here. Okay. So in that case, what we can do is first we'll bring this up like this and fix it here. So down, down, up, up. Undo the setup move. So this is fixed here. Now we have to bring this piece over here. So what we can do is we can first bring this piece over here so that we can fix it properly. So up, up, down, down, and undo the setup move. So now we have our blue and red piece over here which we can fix it. So we'll bring this up like this and we'll fix it. So down, down, up, up, and bring this down. So this is also fixed. Now next is green and red. Green and red. Where is green and red? Green and red is here. So can we fix it directly? So I'll just check. So this is green and red and we can fix it from here. Okay, so this piece will come here. So this is again, this will come here, this will come here, and this will come here. So down, down, up, up, and undo the setup move like this, and here also undo the setup move. Okay, so this is also fixed. So now we can see second layer all edges are fixed. Now we have to fix third layer edges. So here it should be orange and green. Where is orange and green? Orange and green is here, which we have to fix here. So what we'll do is we'll bring this this piece. Okay, so we'll have to bring this piece from here. So we can fix it. So this will come here, this will come here, and this will come here. So down, down, up, up. Okay, and undo the setup move. Okay, so this is fixed. Now we have to fix orange and red. Where is orange and red? Orange and red is here. So can we fix it? Orange and red. Okay, so this is our setup move, and no, from this angle we can't, and orange and red is here, so we have to fix it from here. But from here, if we'll fix, this will get disturbed. So okay, so what we'll do is, first we'll bring this up. So simple, down, down, up, up. Okay, and now this piece is on top. This is our white bottom, this is on top, orange and red, that we need to fix here. So what we'll do is, we'll first bring this piece over here. Like this, and now we'll see whether we can fix it or not. So this is our actual position. This is orange and red. Okay, so what we can do is we can try to fix from here, or this is our orange, okay, and this is our red. So like this, but this will get disturbed. Okay, so what we'll do is, first we have to fix this orange, and so we'll bring it here, and then we'll bring this down. So down, down, up, up, simple. And now we'll bring this, this will come here, this will come here, this will come here. So down, down, up, up. So this is done. Now next is this yellow and red. Where is yellow and red? Is here only. So we have to first bring it up, then bring it down. So it is 3 cycle. So up, up, down, down. Now down, down, sorry, down, down, up, up. Okay, so this is also fixed. Now we have to fix blue and yellow. Where is blue and yellow? Blue and yellow is here. So first we'll have to bring it on top. Okay, so up, up, down, down. So this is on top. Now we have to fix it here. So we'll bring this on top of it, and now we'll fix it. So okay, so what we'll do is, because if we'll fix from there, this will get disturbed, so we'll take this out of the way. So what we can do is, we'll bring this up. We'll bring this up. So for that we need to bring this, because if we'll bring it up like this, this will go down. So what we'll do is, first we'll bring this here. So it will be down, sorry, up, up, down, down, again up, up, down, down. So now you can see blue and yellow is here, which we can fix it. So we have to fix this blue and yellow. So what we can do is we can bring it like this. This is our piece which we need to blue and yellow. Okay, so this we need to fix it. Okay, so what we'll do is simply we'll bring this here, and now and then we'll put it here, so that will be fixed. This piece needs to be fixed. Okay, so this will come here, this will come here, and this will come here. So down, down, up, up. It has come, but it is rotated, so again we'll take it out. So down, down, up, up. Okay, again now we have to fix it from here, so we'll bring this out first. Up, up, down, down. Okay, so now we have to fix this yellow and blue. Okay, so what we can do is we can fix it from here also, right? Yeah, so we can fix it from here. We can fix it from here. From here it will be down. I mean, this piece will come here, this will come here, and this will be come here. So down, down, up, up. So, and undo the setup move. So this is done. Now blue and green is here, but it is rotated. So first we'll have to take it onto other side, or first we'll, okay, so this is the right position. Okay, what we can do is we can bring this here, down, up, up, down, down. Okay, now we can this is our pink and green, right? So pink and green, sorry, blue and green. So blue and green is here, that will fix here. Okay, so down, no, but it will be rotated. So what we'll do is we'll bring this here, and now we'll do 3 cycles. So down, down, up, up, and bring this into its original position. So this is done. Now next is green and purple. Green and purple is here, so first we'll have to take it out. So up, up, down, down. So this is done. Now we have to bring this circle over here, so we can fix it. So this will come here, down, down, up, up, and undo the setup move. So this is fixed. Now we have to fix this purple and pink. Where is purple and pink is here. So first we'll have to take it up. So what we'll do is we'll bring this up and take it here. So this will come here, down, down, up, up, and undo the setup move. So purple and green is here, sorry, purple and pink is here, which needs to be fixed here. So first we'll have to take this out, up, up, down, down. Okay, so now pink side is on up, so we have to be, I mean this purple side should be on up side. So here it should be purple side. Now we'll do 3 cycle. So down, down, up, up, and undo the setup move. So this is also fixed. This all are fixed. Now we have to fix pink and light yellow. Where is pink and light yellow? Is here. So first we'll bring it up. So we'll do down, down, up, up, and undo the setup move. Okay, so now pink and yellow is here, which needs to be fixed here. So what we can do is, here it is pink. Okay, so first we'll bring it out of the way. So up, up, down, down. So now you see this yellow and pink is here. So now this yellow side will bring it up like this, and we can fix it now. So down, down, up, up, and undo the setup move. So this is also done. Okay, now yellow and blue is here. So simply up, up, down, down. Okay, now again take this out, up, up, down, down. Okay, now blue side is on the top side, so we'll have to bring yellow side on top. So this is our setup move. Down, down, up, up, undo the setup move. So this is done. Now we have to bring this blue and green. Blue and green is here. So what we'll do is, first we'll bring this up. So up, sorry, down, down, up, up. Okay, undo the setup move. Now we have blue and green over here. So here it is blue, so we need to bring okay, so what we can do is, we can fix from here also. So this will come here. Okay, so this will come here, this will come here, and this will come here. So down, down, up, up. Okay, now undo the setup move. Okay, so now you can see all these sides are fixed. Now we have to fix the edges of this layer. So here it is orange and pink. Where is orange and pink? Is here. Sorry, yellow and orange. Yellow and orange is here. So first we'll take it out. So down, up, up, down, down. So it is out of the way. Now we'll bring this orange side on top. So down, down, up, up. So this is fixed. Undo the setup move. This is fixed. Now we have to fix green and yellow, which is here. So out, first we'll take it out. Up, up, down, and down. So here it is green side, so we have to bring yellow side up, and we'll do the same algorithm. So down, down, up, up, and undo the setup move. Okay, so this is also fixed. Now next is yellow, green and pink. Green and pink is here, so we'll have to bring pink side over here. So this will fix here. So down, down, up, up, undo the setup move. Okay, so now next is pink and blue. Pink and blue is here, so we'll take it out first. So we'll do 3 cycle algorithm. Down, down, up, up. Okay, undo the setup move. So now pink and blue is here, so we have to bring blue side on top, and we'll have to perform this algorithm down, down, up, up, and undo the setup move. Okay, now next is blue and orange. Blue and orange is here, so on top it is orange side, so we'll have to bring blue side on top like this, and down, down, up, up, undo the setup move. So now we can see all our edges of this layer is done. Now we are left with top layer. So now next step is to fix the top layer edges. So first we need to fix two edges which are not adjacent to each other. So we have to fix this two, or maybe this two, or maybe this two. So first we'll try to fix this. So this will come here, down, down, up, up. So don't worry about the orientation. So now we can see we have two edges which are placed properly. Now we have to do this 3 cycle algorithm and fix it. So down, down, up, up. So now we can see all edges are into its correct position, but these two edges are flipped. So there are two cases. This is one case. I'll show you second case also. So this is one case whereby you have two edges which are flipped, and all other edges are correctly positioned. So what we have to do is we have to hold it like this. This is our front side, and these are the two edges which you need to focus. So we have to do this algorithm left, right, left, and right. Then we have to move this to right side. Again we'll do the same, left, right, left, right. Again we'll move this, and we'll do from here, right up, left up, right down, left down. Now we'll move right hand side, and we'll do the same, right up, right down, and left down. So now we can see we have two edges which are flipped. They are adjacent to next to each other, and this is our center point. So we'll do the same algorithm and it will be solved. So now we have to do from here. So left up, right up, left down, right down, move to right, again left up, right up, left down, right down, again right side, and now right up, left up, right down, and left down. Now we have to move this side, and we'll do the same algorithm, right up, left up, right down, and left down. So now we can see it is solved. I'll show you another case also. So this is another case wherein one edge is placed properly and all four edges are flipped. They are into its correct position where they are flipped. So in this case, two adjacent edges we need to keep like this, and this is our center position. and we'll do left up, left down, right down. Again move right side and we'll do the same, left up, left down, right down. Again we'll move this side, and this is now from right hand side, right up, right down, left down. Now we have to move here and we'll do the same thing, right up, right down and left down. So now we can see these two are solved. Now we have to solve these two. So again we'll do the same algorithm, left up, left down, right down. Move like this and left up, left down, right down. Again move like this. Now right up, right down and left down. Now we have to move right side and we'll do the same algorithm, right up, right down and left down. So now we can see we have solved the cube. So if you have any query, you can message me, and if you have not subscribed my channel, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you.